Hello everyone, welcome to my stock portfolio for July to August. In this video we're going to go through my stocks that I was invested in through July the 14th to the August the 14th and if I'm still invested in this stock for next month, and we're going to have a look at how the stocks did. I know a lot of you guys like seeing the stocks that I'm in. I'm currently in 7 stocks as I'm recording this video, and I'll go through them all. A couple of reasons probably why and about what I think of the stock. And then I'll also do my normal video where I would recommend my freebie stocks that I recommend to you guys to buy. That's a different one. So as you know, I'll probably do my free stocks that I recommend for you and my 3 biggest stocks, and then this one is just a complete list of my portfolio so you guys can see how it's done and who I'm invested in. So the biggest stock that went down in my portfolio by far, Square was down 5.09% this month. I mean, yeah, it was a bit of a hit to be fair, but overall Square has done really well for me. I don't think I'm going to sell Square at all, even though it did go down quite a bit. That's mainly because I like where it's going and what markets it tapped into and how much percentage it's taking from the market and the potential that it has to grow into the market. I really like that. I like where Square's going at the moment. Square and PayPal are definitely 2 companies I do really like, and if I wasn't investing in Square, I'd invest in PayPal. I think it is, especially where it's going, where things are going online. I think both of them have massive potential, so I would invest in one of them. Wynn Resorts down 1.72%. I kind of had the feeling that were going to come after a couple of articles that were coming out of Wynn over the last month. It was down bigger than that halfway through the month, but it started to recover, and I know after recording this video, after the 14th, Wynn has actually gone up, but obviously at the time, it's a month review, it did alright. I mean, it's still up big time, Wynn, so I'm a bit like Square, even though it hasn't had the best of the month. I'm not going to sell my share. Alibaba, as of the 14th, it was up 1.83%. I know after recording this video, the week gone, it has done really well, but that won't be in this video, that'll be on the next video. I really like Alibaba, a really well run company. I think I actually bought a couple more shares in Alibaba earlier this week. After another really good month, so Alibaba, one of my 3 stocks I'm buying for August, and it will be in September's video as well. 3i Group, the one that's not on the new, the 3i Group, the one that's not on the US stock market, it's on the UK stock market. As well, another one of the 3 stocks I'm buying. That was up 1.80%. I've not bought any more shares in 3i Group for a while, because I've just been, like I said a few videos back, I've just been watching where it's going, because they've been on about, they've sold one of their investments and they've bought a new one, so I'm just going to see where that one goes. Like I say, that one's on hold at the moment, so we'll see how that one does. It's still on hold. I probably won't buy any shares in it for this month. As for selling it, I'd actually be honest, 3i Group is probably the stock on this list is most likely to be sold just at this time. I'm not saying that I am going to sell it, but just because of a couple of things that are going on, I kind of gone off that stock slightly, so we'll see what happens. I'm not sure if I will sell it, but on this list of stocks, it's definitely one that I'm most considering selling. Ferrari, what can I say about Ferrari? I absolutely recommend this stock every single video. I don't stop talking about Ferrari. I love the company. I love having shares in it. I don't stop buying shares in it. I actually should stop buying shares in it, but at the moment, it's just absolutely killing it. Ferrari up 17.20%. That is good. That is good. I know that it's also had a pretty decent week last week as well. So yeah, absolutely love Ferrari. So we'll keep that going. So my 2 newest investments from the last video is that I actually invested in Boeing, BA, and I've also invested into Live Nation. The reason why I invested into Boeing is I've had it on my radar for a while, and I've been considering buying. I'm not heavily invested in it, but I really like the company and how it's run, and I know that there's been more orders placed for the aeroplanes, which is also great, showing that there's still the demand there. And Live Nation is a company that I really like. It's a company I use regularly. It's a very well run company. They've got a lot of side companies that go in it. You know, obviously Live Nation, Ticketmaster. Is it Get Me In that Ticketmaster have? Yeah, Ticketmaster also have Get Me In, so the resale side of it as well. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Live Nation, and Boeing actually were up 13.74% this month, and Live Nation were also up 10.96% this month, so I'm really happy with those investments. To say that I've only been in those companies for this month, and the percentage gains on that were absolutely amazing. I don't know if I'll buy more shares in them as it is. It's something I'll consider. I'll see how that does. One of them two could potentially pop into the free stocks that I would recommend in September possibly. We'll see what happens over the next couple of days really. So those are my stock picks for you guys. I'll have a very interesting video coming out in the next few days, and probably by the time that video's come out, the video that I'll be doing after that will be the stock market ahead, stock market week ahead that I always do, and then I'll also be doing the stocks that I recommend for you to buy in September, which is crazy because it only seems like a few days ago that I was doing the August ones. So guys, give the video a like, give it a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. See you later.